Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I would like to say welcome. And if you would please click that subscribe button at the bottom of the page underneath the video, I would love for you to be a part of my channel. And please don't forget to hit that bell button, and that bell button lets you know every time I upload a new video. My channel, I mainly do shopping hauls. I do some DIYs, some planning, but those are the main things that I do to take up my time. So I wanted to share it with you. So today I actually really was going to do a DIY, but I went shopping again at Dollar Tree and Walmart, and of course they had new stuff. So I had to make sure that I shared everything with you that I got. So I'm going to start off by sharing with you probably my favorite things that I got during this trip. And then I do have actually a little, I guess, decorating tip that you can use with one of the things that I bought. So first I'm going to share with you some of the things that I got from Walmart. And the first thing is this adorable, this is pretty big. It's a sign, but it's kind of 3D. So this Christmas word is in glitter, but it kind of stands out in front of the rest. And then there's also this level, you can see, is a different, it stands out too. So it's a 3D. But the fun thing about it, I don't know if you can tell, it lights up. Do you see that? I cannot wait to use this in my house at Christmas time because I just love anything that lights up. So a couple other things I got. They had, this was, I believe it was $10.88, which for that size of an item, plus it lights up, I think that's a really good price. The next two things are these little yard signs, but I'm not going to use them for yard signs. I got them for 98 cents a piece, and you can see this one has the like galvanized metal sleigh on it. And you can see it's kind of, it looks like that farmhouse kind of shiplap look. And then this sign I just thought was so cute. And this, look, this got like a 3D kind of sign, which it's actually coming off. I need to glue that down. But with the red truck, I thought that was so pretty. So, but I'm actually not going to use them as yard signs. I'm going to take them off the stake and use them for something else. I just don't know what yet. Okay, so the other two things that I got, I have only been able to find them at Christmas time. So whenever the stores start putting out, especially Walmart, I don't think I've seen them anywhere else, but when Walmart starts putting out their Christmas lights, I always make sure I get these. So these are fairy lights, but they're attached to what looks like a cork. And the reason I love using these, which you can see it in the picture, but I use this all year. I don't just use this at Christmas. So I get these bottles from Dollar Tree. This is a really pretty bottle for $1. And they usually have a lot of different colors. And this year I did go pick up the red one and the orange one. And you can see that I have the lights in there. And I'm going to show you, I don't know if you'll be able to really see, but the lights that are in here, last year I couldn't find many of the white fairy lights, so I had to get the multicolor, but I don't care because I still use it. So you can kind of see how it's lit up in there. And what I do is I put these particular ones, I put them in the windowsill by my bathtub so that at night when I'm taking a bath, I turn these lights on and it adds just a little bit of little ambiance to my bath. I also have this one that is clear. I can't remember if these work. No, the battery is almost out. I don't know if you can see, but anyway, so I got two more so that if I do decide to use them anywhere else, I use these in my bathtub or by my bathtub, but I mean, you can use these anywhere that you want a little extra glow of color. If you have, like in my kitchen, I have two corner areas by my counter that are kind of dark. So I will put one of these in that corner area. And when I have company or, you know, whatever, I will turn that on and it just kind of gives it a nice little glow. So I actually use this all year. So like I said, when Walmart puts them out with their Christmas lights, I make sure I pick some up. And these, I want to say these are $3. And then they come, or you have to buy the batteries, and they're the little, I think 357 size batteries, and you have to use 3 per one of these. So I don't leave these lit all the time because I would be spending so much money on batteries. So anyway, that is all that I got from Walmart. And I want to go over with you a couple of little things that I got from Dollar Tree. One is this buffalo check, red and black buffalo check dog collar. I'm not going to use it for my dog, but you never know if there's some kind of craft you want to do and you want to have this print. So this is for $1. You can use this for some kind of craft. I don't know what I'll use it for yet, but anyway. So they have, I got this, it's a little sleigh with Santa on the front. It's so cute. It says Merry Christmas. They actually had another one that was a snowman, but I didn't get the snowman. I just got the Santa Claus one. I also found one of these, and I just noticed that it's broken, but I'll just glue it back. But it's actually, it's an ornament, but it's an ornament. Isn't that cute? I need to glue this little metal piece down, but the metal piece is like a galvanized metal. So I thought that was really cute. And you don't have to use it as an ornament. You can use these like to put on top of a gift or something. Another really cute ornament that I got was this, and this is a really big ornament. Well, it came undone. For $1, and it says peace, love, and joy. It's gray, and you can see like this is my hand. It's a big ornament. And they had a couple different styles of this. I think they were all gray, but a couple different wording, and the snowman was dressed a little different. But this is the one I like the most. Then they had these two cute little sleigh. They're metal. You can hear they're metal, but they have two. They're red and silver, and they have this little greenery on it. And I may take the greenery off, but you can use these. In fact, I think I may use this. I don't know if you can see right here. I have a coffee station. So what I may do at Christmas time, and I can use the silver one for winter after Christmas is over, and put little sugar packets in this, stacked sugar packets in there, and use that in my coffee station. So I may do that. Then the last two things, I actually love these two also. I got 2 of each, but these ornaments, these are red truck ornaments, and they say Merry Christmas at the bottom. So I may use one as an ornament, and one I may take the Merry Christmas off and use it to make some kind of Christmas sign or something. I don't know yet, but I got 2 because probably will use one of them for a craft. And then the last 2 are these cute door ornaments, like red front door, and it's got the wreath, and it's got a little gem here for the doorknob, and then it's got 2 panels down here. But this is so cute, and again, this is big. Like this is my hand. That shows you the size of it. So it's a pretty good size. So I feel like Dollar Tree this year has really stepped up their ornament game to have all those great ornaments. So anyway, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. And if you have any comments, let me know down in the bottom. Let me know what your favorite thing is that I showed you. And if you did use this red truck, as something other than an ornament, what would you use it for? I'm curious. So anyway, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and don't forget to hit that like button. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.